Get down. Get down on the floor. No, I know it. I know you're arguing with me, but you need to stop. No. Get down. Get down. You cannot get up here. No. Because you don't know how to behave. You're a bad girl sometimes. When you get up here, you get all carried away. Sit. 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 Sit, girl.
Sit.
Sit. Be a good girl and sit. You know what you have to do. Sit.
Sit.
Ooh. What you fussing for? Oh my goodness. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. See, you know how to sit when somebody tells you to. Yes, you do. But you just want to argue with me. Yes. You just want to argue. And what do you think that's going to get you today? Huh? Now you're going to ignore me? Hey, come here. Come here. Come here, girl. There she is. Hi. Hi, big girl. Hi. I'm trying to take not my coffee because it's hot. See, it's hot. I know you don't like hot. I know you don't. All right, well, get down. Get down. Oh, now, see? You don't have to be like that. We all love each other. Sit. Sit and you might get a treat. Sit. Sit. No, you know what you have to do. Sit.
Sit.
Come on now. No. No.
Sit.
But you're precious. Good girl. Took you a longer time today, but you got it done. All right. I love you. Now stop. Stop.